Hello and welcome to FBA TV. My name's Hayden Davidson. In this video I want to talk about the best cashback site. Now, I earn on average, like on maybe each month, every other month, sort of a part-time income just from cashback now. So I cashed out over £500, if I remember correctly, last month, on the month before. This month is going to be about 250. Next month should be another sort of 500-ish pounds that we're cashing out, depending on how long it takes to pend. And we use Top Cashback. Now, Top Cashback is just a crazy opportunity. If you are not using it, right, there's others, but if you're not using Top Cashback, you're missing out highly. Okay, so Top Cashback. Basically, you can get the Chrome extension. I'm going to put a link below, okay? And there's actually a free £10 sign up when the deal's on if you use my link below to get your free account. So go ahead and get that. Once you've installed that, go ahead and install the Chrome extension because that will be connected to your account so that when you go to buy stuff from retail shops, it sends you a reminder. You click on it, and then what it will do is activate that cashback. So then what happens is every time you buy a product that's eligible for cashback from Top Cashback, it will give you a percentage. It could be 1%, 5%, 10%, 20%. It goes on, you know. Some retailers are better for it, some are worse for it. But each purchase that you do, you will start building this cashback up. And as I say, it can become a very sizable income, just like it has done for us, you know. And I actually take this money personally, so it's almost like a little bonus for me. And I would highly recommend you doing it. Now, there is other sites that you can do. There's Quidco, which is fine, but we just don't use it because Top Cashback has got most of the sites anyway. You can also do complete savings. Now we might set this up again, but there is a warning with complete savings. So with complete savings, they do block most people's account after 2 to 3 months. Some people seem fine, but most people get blocked. We get blocked. So if you're going to do that, it could work. You could get yourself 250 quid a month. But you do have to pay for it, so it's 15 quid a month, so you're actually going to get 235. And just bear in mind that there's going to be... Hey all, just want to do a quick message about my sponsor. So Awesome is now sponsoring this YouTube channel. Very, very grateful for that. Awesome is an accounting and bookkeeping service. They take the stress out of my accounting, so they literally take all of my accounting for me. They do it all, it's completely hands-off, so I literally have to do nothing apart from check the VAT returns each quarter. Now look, if you want to check them out, they've got a live chat 24/7, etc. as well. If you want to check them out, I've got 2 months free link below for free accounting, and that is all. Let's carry on with the video. 1 month where you're waiting for the cashback to come and it doesn't come because they've blocked you. So you would have to create multiple email addresses and create new accounts. It's a bit of a hassle. It's a bit of a hassle. You've also got delivery deals, which is good, but I don't think they're open at the moment for new people. So we used to use them, but I think they've got a limit of £1,000 cashback a year once again. So if you're doing numbers, you know, all this stuff comes down to the effort that you have to put in and the money that you get back. So the thing I like about Talk Cashback is it's consistent, it's reliable, you know, it's always there. They're very reseller friendly. They don't mind, you know, they just pay out, and they're very reseller friendly. Touch wood, okay? Got no wood in this car to touch. They're very reseller friendly. Touch a bit of paper there, and yeah, it's just. Yeah, we're very grateful for Top Cashback, and if you haven't got it already, go and get it. As I say, there's a link below for a free £10 cashback for the account. Go and get it, sign up, start using it. Before you know it, you'll have a nice little nest egg in there for you to go and cash out and get yourself, I don't know, whatever you want to spend it on, basically. A little bonus for being a reseller, if you like. So, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you